cross. So I'm going to tell you to take sets of 3, put them together like this and like this. You can get a little circle in the center if you have the right hangers that will do that. So I'm going to zip it. I'm like, again, always don't make them tight, just get them on there because you might need to tweak it later. So we're going to hook them at the bottom, and I'm using zip ties because I've learned from experience that they kind of work the best, and they're cheap. You can buy a whole bunch at one time, like a packet of 100 for like next to nothing. So there is my one square, and we're going to make 4 of those. So I'm going to fast forward through that. Okay, I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna do the last one. I'm gonna do it slower. So you take 2, I do my pointers down. I just try to make them all the same. I don't know if it really matters. And you try to match them up. So I would go right through the center of all this, which is pretty much a circle. And then you tweak it to how you want these to be. So I'm not really sure yet, which is why I'm doing them loose. This is the first cross I ever made. I'm just trying to show you the outline of how it goes. So I'm doing these inside this. And the reason I'm doing this sideways is because it's going to end up really long. So this is when you start to tweak. So I'm going to tweak these, I'm going to pull them down. I'm going to come over here. You need a big space to do this. I'm going to tweak these. And then this is going to depend on how big you want your cross to be, depending on where you plan on putting it. See, these are going to go like this, and this is going to go like this. So this is the top of your cross. And this is the bottom of your cross. So if you want, this is where you add some more. You put one here, and one here. And then you could stop right there, because you could zip tie that together right there. Or go even further. Go like this, and like this. And then you just zip tie this together, this together, this together. And voila! You have a giant cross. You can outline the whole outside with lights, which will look really cool at night. If you take your lights and you put them all around this outside, then you would just see the outline at night, which would be really cool, I think. Or you can put the fuzzy stuff all around there, and that looks cool, some garland. But that is a big cross. I would say 3, 6, maybe even 9 feet. But that's it. There you go. There's the cross. It's pretty cool if you have a big place to put it. But like I said, you can always eliminate 2 and just make it like that. It's still a really nice looking cross.